Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So, we need to find the quadratic inequality that would be represented by each of these solution areas. And they actually gave us the equation. So this is fairly easy in that we only need to come up with what the inequality sign would be. Now, there's two things to consider for that. And one is if you have a solid line, that means your inequality symbol would have an equal to on it. So it could be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, but most importantly, it has the equal to. Then, if you have, say, a less than sign, you are going to shade below the graph or the drawn line. And if it's a greater than sign, you're going to shade above. Now, I should preface that with it has to have y as less than or y as greater than for that to be used. So let's take a look at this. We have a solid line, so we're going to need an equal to, and it's shaded below. If you go to the vertex and just think above or below from the vertex, so it's shaded below, which means it's got to be less than or equal to. And there we go. Now let's look at the other one. So our equation is y equals x squared minus 10x plus 21. And it's a dashed line, so there will be no equal to this time. And if you go to the vertex and go above, it is shaded above, so it's going to be greater than. And there we go. Those would be the two inequalities that would represent those two shaded regions. Hope that helped.